This is a data file from Geotech Instruments. It records environmental data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the readings. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted GEF files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. The .gef file extension is primarily associated with GEF Plot Inspector, a software tool used for visualizing and analyzing geophysical data. These files typically contain data related to seismic surveys, well logs, or other geophysical measurements. The format stores the raw data points and associated metadata necessary for generating plots and performing analysis. GEF files are structured to efficiently store large volumes of geophysical data. The format includes headers that define the data's coordinate system, units of measurement, and other relevant parameters. The data itself is often stored in a binary format to minimize file size and maximize processing speed. The specific structure can vary depending on the version of GEF Plot Inspector. The preferred application for managing the GEF file is GEF Plot from open source. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows shows only limited geometry, so deeper analysis requires specialized modeling tools. To open this specific format, right-click your GEF file and select Open With. If GEF Plot is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the key. If your GEF file will not open yet, do not panic. Why is the file failing? It's not random. Here are the most common technical factors preventing your GEF file from opening correctly. First, use Eclipse IDE. Open the file using Eclipse IDE, the required application for the graphical editor. Next, check version. Ensure your Eclipse IDE version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, open as text. Open the GEF file in a text editor to view the raw content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.